No. Yeah.
I'd be honored to purchase these to request it. Hey, drink machine. You got anything classy for these delicate flowers?
I ain't making drinks for no trashy robo slut. Trashy? At least I don't put out the borders.
No.
Hey, stop that, drink machine. Stop that, Daddy.
That's it. We're out of here. Come on, we'll split a blend.
Wait, give me a chance to defend your honor. And then stomach it on the couch. All right, I've been waiting all day for an excuse to hit a lady.
You try it, and I'll bash your face in.
Ooh, I'm so scared, no arms.
Well, I don't run it.
Right. You're glowing like a human torch on fire. Shouldn't you be standing on a rocky hill somewhere against the shipwreck? Nice. Taking it because of the brightness
One
of
of
my
those girls,
skin.
she was quite nice. She was alright. She was very, probably fine.
Looking so
Right, that. Everything about her.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
My God.
And then
I've
she
just
was
had a
saying,
baby in my cup.
Wow.
I know, right? I better take that.
And then she started following his
So
call.
cute. Wait, no he isn't. He looks like Bender.
So obviously,
Oh, no. No way am I
see on the
that kid
door,
back.
she was like, oh. And there was another girl, and she was nice actually. She reminded me of, you know who works for
Hey,
Marcel?
Lord Douglas. Look coming
The,
in.
half class, or I can't think of her name, the twin, didn't they?
man.
Amy, yeah, she reminded me of her. And she was like, I just want to do events.
Are you telling me that
But
stuff we
the
did in
stewarding
private
work
also
is
twice
very
on the
sure
sidewalk
of
made a baby
and
robot?
SIA approved, so I don't want to work on
Mom,
it.
let me
I
show you
just
the
want
robot
to
when
do
you come down.
like a
No,
security
it
role
was a
within the
religious
event
fundament.
industry.
Plus, she didn't have a mouth.
And
An unusual
I was like,
combination.
yeah,
Come on, everyone. Let's take
I
Bender to the teen center to learn about the bugs and the bees.
The whole scenario that was set up today was
It's okay, Bender. No one here will laugh at you for not knowing where robot babies come from.
Yeah, the first was always I forgot.
Yeah.
Sex Ed Volume 1, or Pants Full of Shame. Meet Jerry, the magician.
Come on, dickhead! Lay down.
His hideous appearance is a byproduct
Do not
of his
bite me, 'cause I'll
hardware
bite your
gearing
back.
up mission.
My baby! My baby!
Since factories can't manufacture enough robots to
My
make
baby.
demand, robots can also reproduce by mating.
My baby!
First, Harold must find a female robot. Best he can do is after beer and hot wings at a local gas station, the two enjoy intimate time behind a dumpster. It's all perfectly natural. Let's watch Around as Gerald Montana uploads a binary file to Francine's internal drive. Manufacturing specs from each parent then merged by a randomized algorithm, and the resulting code guides assembly of a new robot. Yes, everything your body does is perfectly natural.
Oh, can't believe I made a kid. I'm not ready. There's so much in the world I haven't stolen yet.
Relax, Bender. No one would let you near a child. Beth will get custody, and you'll be a deadbeat dad who never even bothers to know his own son.
You really think so?
I know so. You're absolutely horrible in every way.
You're sweet, Sheila.
Oh, you got it?
Threw it out.
You threw it out?
This is new. Just for you.
Great tasting Capri Sun Original. Now with 50% less sugar and nothing artificial.
And that's what it's there.
No. No, when we got there, we all sat down. They just asked what our name was and why we was there.
What did you say?
I just said I've been doing shielding for the last 2 years and everybody keeps telling me to get my badge, so here I am. Hey! Blue! Don't rise to it.
I was worried that using home hair colour would make my hair
Right.
feel like straw. I'm always worried in case dye damages it, then it becomes really dry. Olia is 60% oil powered, no ammonia.
I feel like Olia has made my
I've had
hair
loads
stronger.
of messages for
Visibly
you
improves
today.
my quality colour after
I've
colour.
had quite a few messages from you today. Through you. Mal,
Due for renewal, and we'll add them on those dates.
John from Armatus,
Admiral.com.
Heidi, Lorraine. Yeah, no, I'm not saying anything.
Do it. 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 Do it.
No, not at all.
You can do it, MB.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be nice to keep things you normally lose? Well, unlike anyone else.